Today we'll take a look at the best woodworking router on the market. I made this list based on my personal opinion and I'll try to help you find the one for your needs. To see the most up-to-date prices and find out more information, you can check out the links in the description below. Our list at number 1. Makita Compact Router Kit. Makita's powerful 1/4 HP maximum motor delivers improved performance. The variable speed control dial, 10,000-30,000 RPM, enables the user to match the speed to the application. Our smooth rack and pinion fine depth adjustment system for more precise settings. It features a slim and ergonomically designed body for increased comfort and control. It has a quick release cam lock system for easy depth adjustments and base removal installation. The electronic speed control maintains constant speed under load. It also has a soft start feature for smooth startups. The fixed base accepts industry standard template guides for convenience. It has a high visibility base design for improved handling, and the performance base can be removed quickly to install other bases. The heavy-duty aluminum motor housing is engineered for increased durability. The shaft locks for quick and easy bit changes. Its durable flat top design is added for convenience when changing bits. It has a non-marring high durability base insert for increased workpiece protection. It also has easy-to-read depth scales. Uses 1/4 shank router bits double insulated. Our list at number 2. DEWALT Router, Fixed Base, Variable Speed. Variable speed control with a soft starting motor features full-time electronic feedback that maintains motor speed through the cut. Dual LEDs and clear sub-base ensure maximum visibility. Adjustment ring enables controlled bit depth changes. Large, low-pressure spindle lock button. Multiple shaft lock detents, depth ring, clamping mechanism, and spring-loaded release tabs. Specs: 7.0 amps, 16,000 to 27,000 RPM no load speed, 1/4 collet diameter, 1.5 plunge stroke, 4 base dimension, 12 position spindle lock, weighs 4.1 pounds. Includes motor, standard base, wrench and instruction manual. Plunge base incorporates fine-tune adjustment rod for the precise depth setting. Aluminum motor housing and base construction provide long-term durability. Our list at number 3. Bosch 1617 EVS 2.25 HP Electronic Fixed Base Router. If you think of versatility in the job site, there are fewer routers to compete with the versatile and substantial production of Bosch 1617 EVs. You can achieve versatile jobs done, including edge forming, laminate cutting, slot cutting, and shaping edge profiles. As it owns the powerful 2.25 horsepower and 12-amp motor, the wood router can take care of significant routing jobs with its consequent speed range of 8,000 to 25,000 RPM. The variable speed system allows you to set the optimal speed according to your task. Your router will be able to maintain a fast pace to get accurate cuts with the built-in constant response circuitry. The advanced speed control technology does the job of keeping a constant speed. High-quality aluminum is constructed in the motor housing and base. It keeps the parts completely away from dust and adds durability to the router. Rounded wooden handles maximize the control of the router, providing a smoother and more comfortable grip. This versatile router provides all the essential elements for fixed depth routing, including microfine bit depth adjustment. It comes with an overall range of 1 inch and accuracy to 1/64 inch, allowing for complete and fast changes. The package router packs so many friendly features, including 1/4 self-releasing collet, 1/2 inch self-releasing collet, chip shield, and mounting hardware. Please like, subscribe, and hit the bell button for more videos. Thank you for watching the video.